We're constantly trying to think of ways to save money while growing plants. And you don't always have to go out and buy expensive planters. It depends on your budget. But if you live near a market, you could maybe visit the fruit and veg store and ask them if they've got any free mushroom crates. Because a lot of time, they'll just give you a few. Like these. And these are perfect for growing plants in. But because they're surrounded with holes, to start with you're going to have to line it. Before you put your compost in, obviously your compost will fall straight through the holes if not. So I just line it with cardboard, because as your plants are growing, they'll start and build up that root system. The root system will then hold that compost together. At the same time, this is going to deteriorate, so it's not going to cause any problems at all. It will just rot away over time. So we just need to cut a piece and pop it in the bottom like that. And you don't have to use cardboard, you could use newspaper, that works just as well. Use anything you've got that's free. And then we just need to sort the side pieces out. Pop those in as well. Then once you've done that, you've got your planter. When you put your compost in there, it'll stay in there. And then you want to make a few holes in the bottom, because that'll help with your drainage. So just using a screwdriver, punch a few holes in it. So then you've got that. Now you can fill it up with compost. And then firm it down as you're filling it as well. So then you've got a perfectly good planter. There's plenty of compost in there. Some region are around 7 litres. And you've got enough depth in there to be planting any shallow rooted plants. But the thing itself, if you do live near a market and they've got a fruit and vegetable stall, will cost you nothing to make. And what I'm going to use this for is to grow some Chinese cabbage, Wongbok, similar to the pak choy that we've already sown. But again, it's one of those cabbages that doesn't grow into a big heart. It grows more upright, pretty much similar to a romaine lettuce. But we're not actually going to grow them in this greenhouse to get that fully formed cabbage. We're doing it for the leaves, because the leaves are really tender. And if you harvest them when they're young, they're also that little bit sweeter. And Wongbok is a shallow rooted cabbage. So we're going to plant some of that in there, and as it grows we can harvest the leaves and then let them grow on a little bit more. And because we're putting quite a lot of seeds in here as well, we've also got the option to prick out a few of the seedlings as they start to mature and then pot them on to grow the bigger cabbage, if that's what we want to do. But for the moment, it's all going to be contained in that free planter. Since I'm already in here, I might as well get it done now. A good watering, and let that settle down. And then we're going to broadcast quite a few seeds on there. Ideally we want this container to completely fill out with leafy greens. That's why we're putting so many seeds in. And then all we need is that very light covering of compost, which is why I use a colander. Then you just need to give it a light watering on top and you're all done. And then you've got your Chinese cabbage ready to germinate in your homemade free planter. If you want to see what other things we're doing in this greenhouse over the next few months, then please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you again soon. You all take care.